not. It's only 2 kilometres return to the car park. Nice easy one.
Walking along with little legs. Michael doesn't like to be patient. You sound like an impatient child. We're going as fast as his legs will go. Good picnic?
Picnic down at Flat Rock. Let's put all these cheese and stuff.
You were saying?
Yeah. There's a picnic down at Flat Rock, just outside of Katherine. Near the falls. I think I could scrape all that cheese off you and make another biscuit.
I think I saw hummus.
No. What's down there, bro?
Some nice water.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm
We're
falling.
on the way to Butterfly Gorge National Park.
Yep.
No swimming there. There's salties apparently, so we'll see how we go. But nice bumpy corrugated road on the way in.
It's about 2.5 hours outside of Katherine. Yeah, it's pretty corrugated. So distance is 5 k's return. Apparently you can swim here, but you got to swim in the river near the rocky outcrops or in the pools at the base of the gorge. I wonder if you can, because if we're there, I reckon there's a track that goes all the way there.
And we're off.
And we're here. Apparently there's no swimming at all.
Ah, exciting.
The rangers are saying on the sign that there's no swimming, so I think we'll stay out of the water. What was the other place? Was it
Douglas Hot
Douglas
Springs.
Hot Springs is closed.
Yeah. But I think that might be permanently closed.
It's so strange, like, being able to fish in a national park.
Yeah, I know.
Queensland, you can't.
New South Wales, you need permits.
You need to pay for a permit.
I think that's not even necessarily a national park either.
No, that's just it, yeah.
You're going to catch $1 million barra?
Hopefully.
Have you signed up?
No, not yet.
So do you want to explain about it?
No, you.
You know more than me, I haven't looked at it.
I haven't looked at it either.
Yeah.
So apparently you can sign up to some website and they've released a couple of fish, a couple of barra around the place, and you can win prizes and money.
$1 million per fish. And there's like different prizes and stuff apparently, even just for signing up. So someone's decided they like blueberries. I don't know what this hand action is.
Bill. So would you come back here again?
Probably not.
Is it worth the 2.5 hours drive to get out of here?
No.
Because we got 2.5 hours back.
The other place is nicer. So we went last weekend.
Which one was that one?
The blah Gorge.
Umbrella.
Yeah.
Well, I think it's just good to get out of Katherine and have a look around.
Yeah.
But yeah, so see how we go. Ah, here we are. 3 hours later at
Gregory National Park.
yes.
Yeah.
Gonna have a bit of a look around.
Hopefully there's some nice walks too we can do.
Yeah. Bultia? Belita.
I think.
Yeah. We'll go have a look. Apparently we're here. Okay, so apparently you turn right a bit further back there.
For
This area. The campground.
oh, yeah. But we didn't need to go to the campground.
Every day when